Ndewo, aha m bụ Ọkaigbo, adị m afọ 5. Etoro m ogologo.
Junior, what are you doing?
I want to learn Igbo now. I want to learn Igbo. I want to understand it and speak it. So I got these books, Ndoani, and there's a website too, www.akuko.com, where I can teach you Igbo just right from the start. And they have an app, Learn Igbo for Kids. I'm not a kid, but I feel like I need to take the next step to just master the Igbo language, you know, since you didn't do it for me. Yeah. It was your job. I'm just gonna do it myself now, cause you failed. Fail.
Done.